Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a data cartridge. Data cartridges are vital for secure and reliable data backup and archival, offering a robust solution for long-term storage. These devices boast impressive storage capacities, often holding several terabytes, sometimes even dozens of terabytes, of information. Understanding their proper use, from initial setup to careful handling, is paramount to safeguarding your valuable data and ensuring its accessibility when you need it most. Let's dive into the specifics. Before you begin, it's crucial to prepare your data cartridge correctly. First, always confirm that your cartridge is fully compatible with your specific tape drive system to avoid any operational issues. Next, take a moment to visually inspect the cartridge for any signs of physical damage, such as cracks or deformities, which could compromise its integrity. Finally, clearly label each cartridge with its contents and the date of its last use. This simple step will save you significant time and effort during retrieval. Once prepared, loading and using your data cartridge is straightforward. Gently insert the cartridge into your tape drive, ensuring it slides in smoothly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely seated. With the cartridge loaded, open your chosen backup software and initiate the data transfer process. It's important to actively monitor the backup's progress to confirm successful completion. After the transfer, always verify the data integrity to ensure all your information has been accurately and completely stored on the cartridge. Proper storage and maintenance are key to extending the lifespan of your data cartridges and protecting your information. Store them in a cool, dry environment, ideally maintaining temperatures between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and away from direct sunlight or strong magnetic fields, which can corrupt data. Periodically inspect your cartridges for any signs of wear or damage. It's generally recommended to replace cartridges after approximately 100 to 200 uses, or every few years, to ensure continued reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.